Is your Android phone stuck with a frustrating black screen, rendering it useless? Don't panic. This common issue can usually be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, let's try a forced restart. Press and hold your phone's power button for about 15 to 30 seconds. Keep holding it even if you don't see anything. This can often resolve temporary software glitches that cause the black screen. If that didn't work, the next step is to check your power source. Connect your phone to a known working charger and power outlet. Leave it plugged in for at least 30 minutes. Ensure the charging cable and adapter are in good condition. Try a different cable or adapter if possible. If you recently dropped your phone or it sustained any impact, there might be a loose internal connection. Gently press on the screen and the edges of your phone. As a last resort, if none of the above steps have worked, a factory reset might be necessary. Please note this will erase all data on your phone, so only proceed if you've backed up your important files. Once your phone restarts after a factory reset, it should be back to its normal operating state, and the black screen issue should be resolved.